मारगांव म्युन्सिपालिटीन कशी तयारी आसतली तुमची, कित्याक लास्ट टायम
मारगांव
परफॉर्म
म्युन्सिपालिटी तयारी आमची आसा, बट तयारी कशी जाता? तयारी म्हळ्यार कॅन्डिडेट तयार करपाक जाय. गेले खेपे आमी आनी दिगंबर कामतीचे मॉडल मडगांव पॅनल बरोबर आशिल्ले, म्हळ्यार फातोर्डा फॉरवर्ड अँड मॉडल मारगांव वेर टुगेदर इन अलायन्स. मॉडल मारगांव कॅनॉट बी विथ अस बिकॉज नाव दे हॅव गॉन इन टू BJP. नाव फॉर अस इवन, फॉर अस टू बी प्रिपेर्ड, वी आर देअर ऑन द ग्राउंड इन फातोर्डा, but we don't know what is the delimitation, what is the reservation, and the government is not disclosing it. So government last minute घालून चिटींग करूंक सोदता, हें सदांचे भशेन रडी खेळूंक सोदता. ताजे खातीर आमी आतां डिसिजन घेतलां की वी वील गो टू नॉक द डोर्स ऑफ द हाय कोर्ट फॉर द गवर्नमेंट टू रिवील द रिजर्वेशन एंड द delimitation. So this is step number 1. After this is done, we will then decide what to do about Margao.
बट यू विल कॉन्टेस्ट एवरी ऑल
No,
सीट्स.
we will have to see. We'll have to take a decision based on this. Suppose they do delimitation in such a way that it becomes difficult to even find candidates, then we'll have to work with somebody else, or maybe we'll have to go alone. We'll have to take the decision at that time. First, we should know what is the delimitation and what is the reservation, and the which 2 seats are going to increase. Because there is a government proposal to increase 2 seats in Margao.
पॉसिबिलिटी आसा ऑपोजिशन कमिंग टुगेदर दो इट इज नॉट ऑन पार्टी.
There is a possibility. I think opposition should come together because me being a sitting MLA of Fatorda, I am not aware today who will be my candidate where, because I don't know the reservation. Suppose I make a candidate ready and that seat gets reserved for OBC or ST. Then what happens? And if the candidate is general, if the candidate is OBC, ST is reserved, candidate is out. So if I am not in a position to say that what I will, how I will fare in the Fatorda municipal segment, how can I speak about Margao? And Margao, for that matter, the opposition is that way not very strong and existent.
For you the first thing is high court then at the moment.
High Court is the first step, and we will move immediately.
ओके फोंड्याचे जर बायपोल्साचेर गोवा फॉर्डाचे तुमचें कितें?
ना फोंड्याचे बायपोल्साचेर एक प्रतिक्रिया दिवचे पयलीं फोंड्या इलेक्शन जातलें आनी जातलें जाल्यार कितले म्हयन्या खातीर जातलें हाजें खूब म्हळ्यार नियाळ घेवपाची गरज आसा. एक म्हणल्यार SIR कंप्लीट ना, ताजे खातीर इलेक्शनां आतां खंयच्या रुलाचेर घेतली कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. सो नोटिफिकेशन येतकरूच ताजेर विचार करूं येता.
ओके.